have a feeling that's gonna die soon. So
I think we're past the storm, or it'll be over here. I'm not sure.
Maybe. But we remember we were seeing basically across the sky. Wow, is it scared of us now? It was going off like zap, zap, zap. No, it's like right as whoop. Whoa, I think my camera got that one.
At least got it lit up in here.
Oh, whoa, it's windy. Oh, guys, I think it's raining.
It is.
Oh yeah, it's starting to pour. If you look at the street, it is soaked. But I think you guys saw that one, maybe. It sort of told me, so I was like, what? Where is the lightning? Zap, 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 zap.
Okay, guys, it's pouring and we can't even see the rain.
Well, you can see it.
I can't even feel it.
Is the air cold
Oh,
or
yeah,
warm?
I felt it. I felt it. It hurts, Lacey.
But is it cold or warm?
It was warm.
Yep, storm.
And it stopped, Lacey.
Let's see.
It hit me bad.
That doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, now it does. Ouch. Ow.
Yeah, it hurts, doesn't it? Owie. Is there bullets in it or what?
I'm not really seeing any more actual lightning.
Me neither. Well, I just saw.
You
Ooh,
just
that's
saw
cool.
what?
Owie, my neck hurts.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Whoa. Oh, dang it, I missed it.
That was in the back.
Yeah, it was just a little one, though. Sadly. I like those big ones that, like, reach across and go, zoop. If you guys didn't know, the lightning actually starts from the ground and goes up. But it's so fast that no one could really tell until, like, the atoms and blah, 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 and stuff like that. A bunch of science. So, and since there's not really any more lightning that we can see, so see you guys later. Let's say loves you.